Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode on the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making something else fantastic. Today, we're going to be making another vegan recipe, but don't be alarmed. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's fast, simple, and very inexpensive ingredients. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Alright friends, so on the counter today we have a pretty simple list of ingredients, and we're going to start with the bananas here. We have 2 medium bananas here that are just really ripe, and we have 1/2 cup of rolled oats. These are the old-fashioned coarse oats. We also have 1 cup of instant oats, the 1-minute boil oats. We have 1/3 cup of chocolate morsels, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt here. And that's actually all we're gonna need today. We actually, fortunate enough to we have a sill pad here in the back lined onto a tray. If you have parchment paper or whatever, that works just fine. And we're gonna get started. Here we go. So we're gonna start just by taking a fork and mashing our way through the bananas, and that's gonna get them nice and soft and start producing the liquid that we're gonna need. And the liquid that's gonna come out of them is what's actually going to make up the stickiness in the cookie and keep all the moisture in there. And the better you mash these, the more moisture they're gonna produce, and that's what's gonna help the cookie stay nice and soft and moist. Once your bananas are nice and moist and you got a lot of the liquid coming out of them, we're gonna go ahead and add in the rolled oats. And we're gonna give these a good mix. I'm gonna switch from my fork to my spatula now. I'm also gonna go ahead and add in the cinnamon and the salt. I'm gonna let this dough sit here and bring the moisture together for about 3 minutes. Now's a good chance for us to make sure that our oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna let these keep sitting for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Now that the rolled oats have had time to soak up just a little bit of the moisture in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add in the instant oats and get those mixed in well. And of course, we can't forget about the chocolate. So, it's time to go ahead and start lining out our cookies. These cookies are not going to grow much while they're in the oven, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make them the size and shape that we're looking for when they come out. I'm just going to take a little ball here, shape it about how I think's about right. I'm making all of my cookies about 2 inches across and maybe 3/4 of an inch thick, a little over 1/2 inch thick. Alright friends, and there's our basic cookie. Alright, so now that our oven's nice and preheated, we're going to go ahead and go in, and we're going to come back in about 12 minutes and check on them. Alright guys, so it's been about 12 minutes now, and as you can see here, the cookies have started to take a little bit of color. They're starting to firm up around the edges, and that's a good sign that we are good to go. Alright friends, well that wraps us up on how to make banana oat cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below and let me know how yours turn out. Have a great day.